Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I got a package in the mail. I recently ordered something off of an online bullion dealer, one that I don't normally order from, one that I've had an attitude with for quite a while, Provident Metals. But they had a deal over the previous weekend, it was a few weeks ago now, and I figured I'd take advantage of it because obviously a lot of people order from Provident, and they're a pretty good company overall. They just burned me on a situation, so still looking to get good deals, though, so I decided to go ahead and order something from them. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, package is pretty heavy. This thing's got some weight to it, so I must have some stuff in here. Let me get this cut open. Got awesomely sharp scissors. I'm going to get my invoice out of there because I'm sure there is one. And here we go. Here's the package they sent. These plastic envelopes, if you get them open, they're nice to repurpose. And there's my Provident magnet. Okay, it's an interesting topic they put on there. Warrior Series Spartan. Alright, and then let's see what else we have in here. Lots of stuff. Ooh, like I said, nice and heavy. So I got in on the deal and got some American Silver Eagles. These are about $1.60 over spot. Really, really good price. Anytime you can get American Silver Eagle under $2 over spot, you're doing pretty well. So let me take one out of here. These look like they're all going to be 2019s. I think that's what I ordered, 2019. Look at that, huh? What a beauty there. Just a nice, beautiful coin. You know, some people criticize U.S. Mint for not changing the design, but I'll tell you, the design on these things are classic. So let me hold it here and see if I can zoom in a little bit. This one has a little bit of a scratch on it or something. Huh, Provident, what are you doing to me? Here, I give you another chance and you send me a BU with a big old scratch on it. A ding on it. You can see the ding up there at the right side of the wing, huh? Boy, not happy about that. You should not be scratched like that. Wow. Let's check another one here. This one looks much better. So, you know, stuff happens, but yeah, I mean, I'm really looking for a company like Provident to do better on their quality. Because again, you should not have to be concerned about a big scratch on your BU coin. It's definitely a scratch there. And a ding up by the wing. So yeah, not too thrilled about that. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's just spot check another one here. I got 10 ASEs for a really, really good price. And they're supposed to be brilliant uncirculated, and they are uncirculated. I guess it does mean brilliant, not scratched, does it? So yeah, you know, and the problem I had with Provident, that if I contact them and say I don't like it, I'm unhappy with it, they'll make me pay to send it back. That's, if you look at my video from several months ago, you'll see that's the biggest issue I had. They sent me crappy dimes and then made me pay to send them back, which totally killed the whole deal on getting them for a good price. So I'm sure they'd take this as a return, but they'd make me pay to send it back. So they send us their junk, they send us their product that isn't perfect, and they charge us to send it back to replace it. So That's the business practice I don't like about Provident, and again, I'm not happy with this either. So very unhappy with them sending something with a big scratch on it like that, and also another ding too. You know, if I scratch it and I ding it, that's one thing, but they should be sending me quality stuff. And some would argue, wine, it's quality stuff, nobody cares about a scratch, but you know, I do. Anybody watches my videos know I take care of my stuff and have good quality stuff, and I'm proud of my collection, and I don't want to have scratches and dings. Now if I paid as a cull, if it would have been a cull item, then fine, but these are not culls. These are supposed to be perfect. And now they got me looking through every single one of them, seeing what's on them, making sure. Maybe I'll take that one and throw it under the coin cam so we can get a better look at what that scratch looks like. But let me finish going through these. Oh, look at that. Look at the scratches on that thing. You see them? Look at that. Wow. That thing definitely got thrown on to something. Look at those scratches. Wow. Jeez, Provident, come on. Can't we expect better from a quality company like you? Or you're supposed to be a quality company. You're very popular. A lot of people say good things about you. Can't we expect better? I think we can. I don't think you should be sending scratched up coins as BU. And expecting your customers to be happy with it. So I would not be able to give them a good rating on this order, I can tell you that much for sure. I mean, 2 out of the 10, so 20% of them are scratched. 20%. That is a ratio that is just way too high for me. Way too high. Let's take a look at these 2 scratched ones. So here's the first one that I found. Let's put it under the coin cam. And see what it looks like. Do a little bit better job on the focus. So yeah, nice little ding there, huh? You can see it right along here. See the ding right there? And there's something up here by the wing too. So yep, that looks pretty crappy. Not happy about that. And let's take a look at the second one that's scratched even worse. Look at that, look at those scratches. Actually looks better in my hands kind of in the way. Can you see them down at the bottom? All along here. Right there. Down there. Yep. Well, that's really unfortunate that they send you scratched up coins. Not really thrilled about that, but you know, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do. Provident will not back up their stuff. I already know that. That's why I wasn't buying from them for so long. But now I give them another chance, and they send me some unhappy quality stuff again. So I don't know. I know there's a lot of you out there that love Provident and use them all the time and are very happy with them. But let me go ahead and pull this off of here, switch back over, and adjust my camera a little bit. So that's what I ordered, 10 American Silver Eagles, just trying to keep the government bullion going as well. And you know, most of them are pretty nice. A couple of them got some pretty nice scratches on them. Not really what I was hoping for, but you know, it is what it is. So that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that. And click that bell notification button so you'll be notified every time I put out a video. I put out quite a few of them. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some great content out there for you. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.